Today we'd like to talk about the 2018 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible. Along with top-dropping sunshine, the Beetle Convertible also offers standard turbocharged power, iconic style, and a tech-savvy interior, all under its retractable roof. Come with us as we take a closer look. The 2018 Beetle Convertible features performance-style bumpers and Bi-Xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights. The redesigned 17 and 18-inch alloy wheels and integrated rear spoiler add a sporty and modern touch to the Beetle. Inside creature comforts such as leatherette seating surfaces and flat-bottom multi-function steering wheel offer that premium look and feel. The retro modern gauges and secondary glove box enhance the modern look. With Volkswagen App Connect synced to your compatible smartphone, you can access your music, maps, messaging, and more right on your dash. Lower the power folding soft top with the push and hold of a button to let more outside in, and with the 50/50 split folding rear seats folded down, the Beetle Convertible delivers a surprising amount of cargo carrying capacity. The new turbocharged 2.0-liter TSI engine is fast, it's fun, and it gets an EPA estimated 33 highway miles per gallon. The 6-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic and Sport mode offers acceleration and smooth gear changes. The Beetle Convertible comes with numerous advanced airbags, a high-strength steel safety cage, and the rear-view camera system can help you see any obstacles in your path while you're backing up. This year, Volkswagen's introducing the People First Warranty, America's best bumper-to-bumper transferable warranty covering 6 years and 72,000 miles. That means being there for our customers long after they drive off the lot. The 2018 Beetle Convertible lets you open up and head out in style. With 5 trim levels and a combination of available color options, we can help you customize your purchase to meet your exact needs. So come on down and see us and check out the 2018 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible.